new spider sense is a trip. Either I'm not used to it yet, or I'm sensing one of the fragments closing in on me. Nope, I was right. Well, at least I found it.
Spider, don't fade on me yet.
What are you supposed to be? A demonic kumquat?
You can call me Hobgoblin. Every Spider-Man needs one.
Newsflash, Hobby. You're not my first goblin.
But this goblin has one thing the others never had.
The fragment?
Yes, and with its power, I'm going to tear this world apart! Nice try, but my nanofiber wings broke the fall.
Nanofiber? How'd you get your claws on that?
Oh, wouldn't you love to know?
Yeah, that's why I asked.
Oh, is Spider-Man scared of the big bad Hobgoblin? Scared to face me, eh?
You know how nutty you are? You are giving raving maniacs a bad name.
Take that! I love seeing things burn. Bombs away. Having a blast! I'll destroy you for that. I suppose I'd run away too if I were you. Look who's running scared! Bombs away, fools. Just need a moment. Oh, is Spider-Man scared of the big bad Hobgoblin? I suppose I'd run away. I'd love to stay and play, but I've got places to destroy, people to kill.
Oh, good. I was worried this was going to be too easy. See, this is why I could never be a supervillain. I don't laugh at my own jokes.
Why are you doing this? The Public Eye Patrol, keeping the city safe from the likes of me. Let's fix that. Thanks, partner. I warm up for you. Now,
We're working together! Do it both!
Oh, shut up. These guys think I'm on Hobgoblin's side. Next! Get a good shot! This'll be a good workout.
He's all mine!
Lucky punch punch! Sorry, fellas, don't have time to explain.
Intruder alert! Intruder alert! Intruder alert! Intruder alert!
That solves that.
Good job, guys. I almost had a little trouble there. Huh, thought that'd be tougher.
Stay where you are, citizen.
Ah, shock me.
Take this, freaker! It's one of those. Stop him!
My accelerated vision makes everything seem slower. This'll definitely come in handy.
I got Spider-Man in my sights.
Hey, Uncle! Take him down! Second Oh, I That's it. Why chase the real bad guy when you can waste your time shooting at me?
That's it, partner. Get up!
I didn't start this, but I'm gonna finish it.
To keep up.
I can't wait to shut this guy up.
To keep up.
Hold your fire, officers. He's with me!
Get him, buddy.
See, this is one of those crazy misunderstandings we'll all laugh about later.
This is a real blowout. It's on!
You have to work at being the... See, or does it just come naturally?
This is... incoming!
I'm the last one who should call anybody a freak, but that guy is a freak.
Found the spider freak. All units, fugitives last spotted at platform 2. Could be headed this way.
Could be.
Look out, it's him!
Is that him? Right over there! Can't slow him down!
All right, fellas, come to Spidey. Huh, thought that'd be tougher. Let's do this old school, like 2050.
Shoot the wound! Don't let him get me!
Starts Ishikawa.
We can make the thing work better.
Sorry.
Start Fujikawa. Start Fujikawa.
And make it look... You're not like the other goblin I fought. Who are you? Where'd you come from?
Not yet, Spider. Why spoil the mystery? You're not going to get rid of me that way, Wing. Remember?
Nanofiber mesh? You didn't do this to yourself. Someone made you.
So perceptive.
More public eye. Must have attracted some attention with our skydiving routine.
Oh, and just when you were getting warm. We'll have to continue this discussion later.
Permission to use lethal force granted!
Along came a spider and beat up some dudes. I can't wait to shut this guy up.
You're terrified of me. How nice.
There! He's right there!
You're just a great big ball of crazy, aren't you?
You're not getting away!
Alley-oop!
The real blowout. More tickle.
How do I get myself into these things?
This is a real blowout.
Take him down, now!
Spider-Man scared of the big bad Hobgoblin. You ruin all my fun!
Hey, someone's got to do it. Not again.
Freeze!
Come on,
Kill him!
Sorry, no
Get
time
a
for
good shot
autographs.
at him!
Code red.
Look at me go!
Alarm. Alarm.
Why don't we meet up top? I've heard the view is to die for.
But don't wait on my account. If I'm not there in 5 minutes, start beating yourself up without me. Don't take this the wrong way, but the more I get to know you, the less I like you.
Oh, but there's so much more to learn about me. Take my psi powers, for instance. Not bad, eh? Let's see what happens when I add Fragment's power to the mix.
What's happening? This can't be real.
Welcome to my reality, Spider-Man. Hope you'll survive the experience.
Get rid of these flying creatures as soon as you can.
You have to work at being this crazy, or does it just come natural? You know how nutty you are? You are giving raving maniacs a bad name.
Get shot!
Look! I can't wait to shut this guy up. I've never seen anyone this psycho. I'm kind of in awe. Your train of thought got derailed a long time ago.
suppose I'd run away too if I were you.
Do you have to work at being this crazy, or does it just come naturally? No thanks. This'll be a good workout. Got your nose. You're out of here. Got your nose.
Get upset, and I've been known to have a fiery temper.
The old you wouldn't let me when I'm angry with you, huh?
Look who's running scared!
I'm sorry, I can't hear. Right back.
Why don't we go for a ride? Ooh, that ground's coming. Ha!
You keep bragging about your fancy wings. Let's see you land without them.
You've done it, Spider-Man, and not a moment too soon.
You said it, Webb. Now, let's take a better look at these. Looks like nanofibers fused with bioorganic circuitry. Only one corporation has technology advanced enough for this. Al.